In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see everyone on Zoom. If you've ever been in a meeting and wondered how to view all your colleagues at once, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to use Gallery View so you can see as many participants as your device allows. Gallery View arranges participant videos in a grid, which is perfect for classes, team check-ins, or any group discussion where you want to read the room at a glance. First, make sure you're actually in a Zoom meeting, whether you've joined one or started one yourself. These options work the same, whether you're using a Windows or Mac computer, or you're on a phone or tablet. On a computer, move your mouse over the Zoom window to reveal the controls. In the top right corner, click the button labeled View, and then choose Gallery View. Your screen will switch from focusing on the active speaker to a grid of participants. If you ever want to go back to a single speaker view, you can return to that same view menu and pick the option you're used to. On mobile, the gesture is simple. While you're in the meeting, start from the active speaker screen and swipe left until you reach Gallery View. You can swipe again if needed to move between grids of participants. The number of tiles you'll see at once depends on your device size and orientation, so rotating your phone or tablet can sometimes give you a little more space. On desktop, you can display up to 49 participants per screen if your computer meets certain requirements. To turn this on, open Settings, then go to Meetings and Webinars, choose Participant Video, and enable display up to 49 participants per screen in Gallery View. If you don't see the option, your computer may not support it, and Zoom will automatically show fewer videos per page. When there are more than 49 people in the meeting, look for the left and right arrows on the edges of the grid to move through additional pages of participants. If some people have their cameras turned off, you might not see their thumbnails in Gallery View by default. You can control this from the view options during the meeting. Select Hide Non-Video Participants to keep your grid focused only on people with cameras on, or show them again if you want to see placeholders for everyone in the meeting. That's it. Join or start your meeting, switch to Gallery View, adjust the grid size if your device supports it, and use the page arrows when you have a big group. With these tips, you'll be able to see everyone clearly and stay engaged.